habits. This habit becomes a foundation upon which we build a life of health, energy, and fulfillment. Imagine the joy of savoring a favorite dessert knowing that it is part of a balanced lifestyle. The sweetness of indulgence, when enjoyed mindfully and without guilt, enhances our overall experience of food. It allows us to appreciate the richness of life, knowing that we have built a strong foundation of healthy eating. The 80-20 rule is not a compromise. It is a celebration of balance. It acknowledges that life is meant to be enjoyed and that food in all its forms is a source of pleasure as well as nourishment. By embracing this approach, we free ourselves from the tyranny of perfection and step into a more sustainable, joyful relationship with food, avoiding inflammatory oils, a pillar of clean eating. In our pursuit of clean eating, one of the most significant changes we can make is to avoid inflammatory oils, those that contribute to chronic inflammation in the body. Oils such as soybean, corn, and canola are often highly processed and contain unhealthy levels of omega-6 fatty acids, which can disrupt the balance of our body's natural anti-inflammatory processes. Instead, let us choose oils that support our health, such as extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. These oils are rich in healthy fats that nourish our cells, support heart health, and reduce inflammation. By making this simple switch, we take a powerful step toward protecting our bodies from the inside out. By choosing the right oils, we not only protect our present health, but also set the stage for a vibrant future free from the chronic diseases that are often linked to inflammation. Picture the golden hue of extra virgin olive oil as it drizzles over a fresh salad, enhancing not only the flavor but also the nutritional profile of the dish. Consider the creamy richness of avocado oil as it coats a pan, preparing it for a perfectly seared piece of fish. These oils are more than just cooking aids. They are vessels of health, carrying with them the power to nourish our bodies and protect us from within. The choice of oil might seem small, but it is a decision with far-reaching consequences. By avoiding inflammatory oils, we reduce our risk of heart disease, support our body's natural healing processes, and contribute to overall well-being. This simple change can have a profound impact on our health, echoing the wisdom of ancient philosophers who understood the deep connection between what we consume and how we live. The journey forward, a commitment to clean eating. As we move forward on this journey of clean eating, let us do so with intention and purpose. Let us choose non-GMO foods that honor the purity of nature, pasture-raised poultry and eggs that nourish us deeply, and recipes that celebrate the bounty of clean, whole ingredients. Let us strive for balance with the 80-20 rule and protect our bodies by avoiding inflammatory oils. Clean eating is more than just a diet. It is a lifestyle, a commitment to living in harmony with our bodies and the world around us. It is a journey of self-respect, one that requires a deep understanding of the impact of our choices. Let today be the day we take that first step, choosing clean eating as our path to health, vitality, and a life lived with purpose. The journey may not always be easy, but it is a journey worth taking, one that leads to a life of clarity, energy, and profound well-being. As we continue on this path, let us be inspired by the wisdom of the ages, by the knowledge that every choice we make has the power to shape our lives. Let us embrace the challenge of clean eating with courage and determination, knowing that the rewards are worth the effort. Clean eating is not just about the food on our plates. It is about the values we uphold, the respect we show for our bodies, and the commitment we make to living a life of integrity and purpose. It is a journey that invites us to reconnect with nature, to honor the wisdom of our ancestors, and to create a legacy of health and well-being for future generations. In the end, clean eating is a choice to live with intention, to nourish ourselves with the best that nature has to offer, and to embrace a lifestyle that supports our highest potential. Let us make that choice today and every day as we walk the path of clean eating with the wisdom of the ages and the power of our own inner resolve. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.